Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where this red line here is coming from. But the first update that needs to be made and really kind of illustrates that overall, it's not like today was an explosive move to the upwards, but the price did, it did steady out and actually showed enough strength for this to be considered a level of support again, and that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So if you did watch the video from Thursday, I talked about, how this level had been converted back to a resistance, and that, the sooner the price could get back up above there, the better. And hey, the very next day, the price got back up above it. So that doesn't mean that this thing's, for sure going up to 50 cents. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that compared to, Wednesday's or after Thursday's price movement, not only did the price, like I said, get things under control, but it showed enough power to be able to get back up above the 26 cent, which is a good sign. From the overarching point of view, the key level of support you want to continue to watch is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line will continue to move itself higher and higher as next week plays out. So really, as long as the price is up above that purple line as next week plays out, then, the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. Now, I realize there's a little perspective that goes into this, meaning if you are some sort of day trader or scalper and you bought there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then from that point of view, yeah, these levels don't pertain as much to you. But assuming you do care about the general framework of it all, then yeah, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance going to be right here at 0.276. So 0.276, that first key battleground. And then after that, next week, if the price can push through that initial hurdle, next key overarching level right up there at 29 cents. So overall, like I said, after the rougher day on Thursday, nice recovery today. And now going into next week, it's just a question of can the price continue to recover? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.